picture? You want to take a picture?
No, we're trying to show Auntie Leslie these quills. To the definition of...
Here's another one. Just gonna get this description real quick. Hummus.
Isn't this awesome?
So beautiful. This is our hummus.
Oh no, I know. Via, I was trying to tell them, isn't this awesome?
So gorgeous.
Show her. It's like islands.
I wanted to get a description of this quilt here.
And then it's like the north, south, east, west, northeast, north, west.
Stunning.
Let's look at that one
Excuse me,
now.
honey. Coming in again. This is a New Zealand print. This is really amazing. Okay.
I forgot about that. I'm gonna look.
Here's another one. This is called Doesn't Color. Scrap. Excuse me, backing up.
Colors, window of color. Look, that one's a person.
This is another one. It's called
This is $1,000.
Here's another one. Excuse me.
I'm gonna go outside.
This one is.
Good work.
The purple frogs. Oh, look at the roof. It's all dancing with the Puel. Puel, look, it's a human. Amazing. I'm gonna go outside.
It's very true.
pictures on this one. It's really nice. Interesting. Okay, this is another one.
I don't remember all the names. No
Whale, sorry, the pelicans, the lovebirds over there. Yeah, she also put their own Well, it's common.
There's another one. Oh, there's the kids. Hula. We had a hula engagement today. Okay, here's another. So this is that rendition of that, interpretation of that. Interesting. Hand quilted. And I believe it's silk. Okay. This is another piece. This is another one. This one's called Isn't that gorgeous? It's gorgeous.
The reason why the quotes
Stunning work. This is another one. This one's called Hala'ai. handpiece. Hala'ai. This is another one. Oh, gorgeous. It's just beautiful. Here's another one. It's called Kinohi. Yes.
I'm moving. You're so short. Did you shrink?
Kind of like this. Free motion quilting machine. Okay.
Sorry.
No food. With our volcano. But I'm going to take you a little bit closer here so we can see like some of the details that's in here. It's just stunning. We have the hula dancer.
And that same number of distances as well. That one has to get like.
Yeah, they are. Yeah. But this one here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 people work on it together. And this one here is after the
Next. Ke Kua o Kalani.